Alright, welcome to my channel, Eat Low for Life, and today I'm going to do this review and this install on my youngest, my little honey bunny right here. She absolutely loved them. As you can see, these are my end results. So if you want to see the base of my pattern and how many packs I use, stay locked into my video and we will get right into it. So you all know the most important thing that you need is the base of your install when you're installing your crochet twist. So with these 6-inch passion twists that I'm currently going to install on her hair, as you can see, and what I'm showing you here, you have 8 rows of individual plaits in the front. So I think I had about 21 individual plaits in the front, and then you have your 7 plaits in the back, and then underneath those plaits I did do 3 individual rows just so that she doesn't have that much tension. Now my daughter, oh my goodness, she is tender-headed. You hear me? She is so tender-headed. So what I did was I actually created the base and embroidered her base like 2 days prior to installing these passion twists. That way it relieves some of the tension off of her hair. Now I don't even plait that tight, but she's so tender-headed, any little bitty thing will just, you know, have her saying that it hurts, and it really doesn't hurt. I think sometimes she likes to just jerk me around a little bit, but that's okay. So I went and bought these passion twists from Amazon. I got a coupon code from Mary Kay Bella. She also did a review on these on her YouTube channel. These are the new 6-inch passion twists from Toyotress. And I thought they were so pretty and so gorgeous. So I originally was going to put them on me, but then I said, no, you know, I recently did an install of some 20-inch passion twists. So I decided to go ahead and do these 6-inch passion twists on my youngest. One, she doesn't like hair all the way down her back. She really doesn't like hair on her neck. And because these were so light, I love Toyotress crochet hair because it's so light and the twist lasts a long time. So you do get 8 packs. The purchase of this package was like $56. Like I said, I had a 20% off coupon from Mary Kay Bella's website to the end of the month of November. And you do get about 11 to 12 passion twists in each pack, which really should be enough. That's the normal number of twists that you get in each pack. So what I'm just showing you right here, and see, that's her just getting a little nervous, but she should be used to this by now. I usually open my hose up and pull them through just like what you see right here. Some people use the crochet needle to pull the end of the hair through the hole, but I just find it easier for myself that I'm going to do it my way, which is pulling it through with my 2 fingers. So what you see is you have that little braid space. As you can see, the little spaces, you have your parts, because I want this to look like individual passion twists in the front. And then what I'm doing is on the first square, I'm going to put the passion twist through, as you see, and then right next to it you have that little braid that crosses over into your next plait. I'm going to put a twist right there, and then I'm going to put my next twist on my next square. And as you can see, it covers up the braid or the little plaits that you have going towards the back of the hair, and then they look like little individual twists. And that's just one thing I love about doing this base of this hairstyle. It's absolutely just works out for the best. A lot of people are doing it on YouTube, and I also do it on my hair as well. Now it does take a little bit longer when you are plaiting your hair and creating the base, but that's okay. It's all worth it. And creating the base is what takes the longest, but installing these things takes no time. It probably only took me about 45 minutes to put the twist in overall. And then as you can see in this clip right here, I currently have done 1 full pack, and this is what 1 full pack have gotten me so far with the passion twist. So that's what's going on. I believe that's 1 full pack. Yeah, I think that's 1 full pack. I try to break these clips up based on what I've done. So I know I have more done. Make sure you also oil the base of your protective style. And as you can see, they're not that long. They're short. They come down to her neck. I was trying to stretch them out a little bit, but I don't need to. And they're just absolutely beautiful. Now in this clip, this is where I have done actually three packs of hair at this point, of those passion twists, and it has covered a lot, or a base. It has covered a lot of base of her dome. So depending on how big your dome is, now she's a little kid, and I also feel like the 8 packs would be sufficient even for an adult, but this has definitely covered a lot of base for her, just for 3 packs of hair. And as you can see, and what I'm showing back here is the 3 individual plaits that I put in the back of the nape of her neck, so she doesn't have that much tension. I didn't want to do a braid going across, and I didn't want to pull her hair up, so I did do 3 plaits, and I brought it up into the plaits that are currently in the middle section of her hair. That way, those look like individual plaits, so if you wanted to put them up, they'll look like individual passion twists overall. So these are absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, I still have my 20-inch passion twist, and if you haven't seen that video, I will put that video at the end of this video, or at the bottom of my description. Or you can also go to my channel, as always, and get my most recent video. You will actually see the 20-inch passion twist that I did on myself, that I absolutely love. So my goal really is to keep this in her hair for at least a month. I love to do protective styles because it just gives your hair a break. Overall, this is actually to do her whole hair was 6 packs of hair. To do all of the individual rows going back, I did add in another pack of hair, just because I wanted to fill in some gaps where I felt like they needed to be filled in. I didn't have to do it, but I just wanted to give it a little bit more full effect for her. And as you can see, she's smiling. Like I said, she's tender-headed. She doesn't like things long. She doesn't even like me when I braid or put long, what you want to call it, knotless braids or anything in her hair, and they're long. She just can't stand it. But I actually thought that she would love these because they're short, they're light, they're airy, they're flowy, they're beautiful, and she absolutely loved twists. I used to do little twists in her hair when she was younger, and she absolutely loved that. So I figured this would be a great style for her. And what you see here in this clip is pretty much me trying to see how her hair will look. And I was just kind of planning it, see how it will look halfway, half down, because she doesn't like hair in her face all the time. So if she wanted to put her hair up in the front, she can do that as well, and leave her hair down in the back. This is a beautiful style for little girls, and this is also a great style for adults as well. So that's just me planning her hair, and I do thank you all for tuning into my video. If you all are interested in the 6-inch passion twists from Toyotress, just go ahead over to Amazon and hit them up. Now, at the time of me recording the video, the 20% sale will probably be over because it was only the end of the month of November. So it did end 11/30. So you may have missed it unless you're subscribed to Mary Kate Bella, who also did a review on these. But that's just me putting her hair up in a ponytail, and these are absolutely gorgeous. So stay locked into my videos, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.